Hey guys, Tashdila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make paratha. It's called sol paratha, which is very simple and easy to make. This is one of my favorite recipe and let's get started how to make. And before start the video, please don't forget to click the red button. It's written subscribe and also hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you will get always notification when I upload a new recipe. Now here I take some flour and you take flour how much you're going to make. In this recipe we don't need the measurement because in simple we need flour and water, that's it. And we gonna make the dough. Normally we make the chapati, we have to make this. Knead the dough until not becomes soft. You have to knead. Now once the dough becomes smooth and soft, now I'm gonna apply some oil so it will help to not dry the dough. So now I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes later my dough becomes soft. Now it's time to ready for make chapati. So first you have to make the old chapati. And we need these all ingredient. This is cumin seed, so this is optionally, and we need salt and oil for this making paratha. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit oil, add 1 pinch of salt, and you have to apply evenly this all of the chapati. Once the apply is done, now next ingredient is cumin seed. This is optionally, so if you like you can add, if you don't like you can definitely skip this part. You can apply just only salt and oil. Once all done, now you have to fold like this. You can make triangle or you can make square, any kind of shape as you like you can make it. Now follow the video how I did, or you can make any kind of shape as you like. Once you make the chapati, you have to just lightly press. Make sure do not press hardly, you have to make just softly. So here I already heat my fry pan and now I'm gonna add my chapati. To come bubble, you have to flip it over. and apply the oil. Add the one side only oil and both of side will enough. You don't need to add both of side. Just add the one side. Just add the one side and make the chapati in same way until not finish. See, it's very simple and I cook in normal high heat. Guys, so this is my final result. Sol paratha is ready. And here I serve with yogurt and tomato sauce, which is I make, and I already make the video, this sauce. You can eat with paratha, momo and sauces. This sauce with paratha is very good. This duo combination, very good. I like to eat like this. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and about the more recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye, and don't forget to leave comment below how it is.